Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Nelko thermal label printer for my small business. So I hope you all enjoy. It was super affordable. I ordered it off of Amazon and I will leave it in the description below. So if you want to check it out, and like I said, it was affordable. And I like the size of it. Now I'm just showing you what comes with it. Which is just the how to connect the Bluetooth, the user manual, the label printer itself, which I love how compact and small it is. I love it. Perfect size, even to travel with me. And lastly, a charger comes with it. So everything that you need to set up, and inside comes one roll of label paper, like sticker paper. But yes, if you're a small business and you are looking for a label printer, I would definitely recommend this. So right now, I am just going over the user's manual and just, of course, seeing how to set it up, how to turn it on, all of that sort. So now I am just going to be turning it on, and you will also see me taking the printer paper out. Sorry. Other than that, you will also see me just do a quick setup and show you all how to connect it on the Bluetooth with a screen recording. But girl, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm gonna put on a little bit of music, and I hope you all enjoy. Thank you all for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Peace.
This I should go out, show you what you're missing. Never felt this way. Ego aside for you to stay. Yeah, I know I've been tripping, but that's just who I am. I get a little crazy, 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 baby. I'm so new to this. Never had a love this real. I'm still learning, so it's concerning. You disappear. It's my bed, it's my bed. Guess we're over now. It's my bed, it's my bed. Can we talk it out? It's my bed, it's my bed. Guess we're over now. It's my bed, it's my bed. Can we talk it out? Wanna talk it out, but it's so hard.